Yes, you are visible and you are audible too. Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also pretty well. After see you, I also glad. Thank you.
So, can you tell about yourself?
Sure, why not? Okay, as you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. I'm doing master degree nowadays. I have done PGDCA as a computer course also. I'm mother of one person. Nowadays, I'm homemaker totally. That's all about me. I would like to know about you. Please, could you
Okay.
introduce yourself?
Oh, thank you for giving me opportunity to speak with you. And my name is Tanishka. I'm 7 years old, and I'm studying in third standard. Before I am in second standard, and my hobbies are to reading storybooks and play with my ball. And I like to play with business games and Uno. and and it's my channel on YouTube English with Tanishka.
Okay, are you YouTuber? Yeah, I show your video. Okay. Okay, Tanisha, tell me why are you learning this language? Because you are so young. Who inspired you to learn this language?
My mother told learn this language, and I learned this language from I speak with my teacher, friends, and when I go to outside, I speak with shopkeeper, on and I speak with my friends also, and I speak with my teachers in English when I have doubt. I speak with my mother when she's a cooking, and at the night, my mother said that we will play one game that I will tell in Marathi, and you have to speak in English.
Okay. Are you from Maharashtra? What did I say?
I'm from Maharashtra and district Pune.
Okay, district Pune. Okay. How long have you been? Are you learning this language? Because you 7 years old. Tell me, what is the reason? Why you inspire? With whom you inspire and who inspired you?
My mother tell, and I'm learning from 6 months this language.
You have been learning this language for 6 months.
Yes,
Just 6 months in you are fluency now. How? What is the
because
mantra behind this?
I
What
speak
is it?
daily English and I do my practice. I read storybooks also and write in my own language in my notebook. And then my mother said when you have to watch anything, so you have to watch in English only. I watch a Sudha Murthy story on the laptop, and I watch the Krishna story, and I watch Ganpati stories also, and sometimes I watch Mowgli in English. My mother said in English you have to watch all, and
Wow,
I
that's that's
everyday
great thing.
conversation also.
Okay, that means you speak with your mama also at home.
Yes,
Okay, how many members in your family?
there are four members in my family: my mother, me, and my sister and my father.
Okay, do you have sister, younger sister or elder sister?
She's the elder sister, and I am
Elder.
young.
Okay, okay, okay. Which class she studies now?
She's studying seventh standard.
She is studying seventh standard. Okay, do you speak with her also?
Yes, I speak with her also in English. And when my mother is work, she is busy. That time, me and my sister play one game. I will say one word, and what is the last letter? She will say that one word from that letter.
Okay, that is good thing. That is good thing. You can learn more word by this chain system, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, okay, got it. And nowadays, which class do you study? Second class, isn't it?
No, I'm studying in third standard. Before I'm in second standard.
Okay, third standard,
So,
isn't it?
how many family members in your family?
In my family, we are here three members in my family, my husband, my baby, and I. Apart from there, in my family side, there are my mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and my one baby, nephew. That's
Okay.
all. Yes.
So, can you tell about your daily routine?
Okay. Nowadays is school time, so I have to wake up early in the morning and I have to make some fruits for my baby and husband. Before that, I have to be freshen and after I freshen up, I take bath and I have to go to the kitchen for make some food for my baby and my husband. After send to them school and I start to do household chores. After household chores, I take like session and study this kind of things I do. Yeah, nothing special, just simple daily life.
Okay, so can you tell about your childhood?
My childhood.
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to know?
That how do you go to your school? Yes.
Okay, I study in village school. There was not facility like this, like you. I did not get chance to talk like you that time. So nowadays I have to struggle to learn this language. So I study in Assamese medium. Do you know Assam?
Yes, I know Assam.
Assam. Yeah, I'm from Assam. My language is Assamese. So I study all study I done from Assamese medium.
Okay. I know Assam it's a state in India.
Yes, yes. Yeah, this
Yes.
is very beautiful place. All around greenery. There is no too much pollution like here, UP, Delhi. There is no crowd area.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
okay. Tell me, what you want to become? What is your aim?
yes, my aim is I want to become a motivational good speaker or maybe I want to become a singer.
Okay, you are dancer, you are singer, you are motivational speaker, you are speaker. Wow, that's
Yes.
great. That's good thing. What your papa does and what your mother does?
My mother makes my video, she's homemaker and my father does a electric job.
Electric job. Okay. Your mother also do conversation video? She does?
No, she don't do conversation. She only upload my video and edit in my channel English with Anishka.
Okay. How long have you been? Are you running your YouTube channel?
Um, what you said?
How long have you been? Are you running your YouTube channel?
Um,
आप आप कब से अपना चैनल चला रहे हो?
from 6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
From 6 months. Okay. Are you learning this language also from 6 months? Isn't it? Okay, okay, that's great. Do your friends also speak in English with you?
Yes, they speak also with me in English. In school, my friends also speak, but some friends speak in Marathi and Hindi.
Okay, that means you have environment to speak English with your friends. That is good. Your teachers also speak English?
Yes, our school is English medium. All teachers are speaking English.
That is good thing. I also want my baby to teach him in English. I also speak with him. And what is the whole mantra? I want to make my baby like you.
What
What
you
what
said?
I have to do? Sorry?
What you said? Can you repeat?
I want to make my baby like you speaker. What I have to do for this?
We have to read story books. When I'm from child, I books because when I was a child, when I was 6 years old or 5 years old, my mother was doing the MPSC job, that exam. So she had so many books because she buy from one shop so many books.
Mhm.
That time my mother was talking on the phone, and I got to her books. I take one book and read that book. And my mother said, "What are you reading?" Kept it. My mother, but I just kept reading. But then my mother said, "What are you reading?" Then she see I'm reading a I'm reading mine books, your books, my mother's books. So she understand that I am a intelligent girl, that I can read anything. I am a intelligent. I can do study also.
Wow,
And
that's great.
when I was child, now also I read newspaper. I daily read newspaper, that I understand where the countries are, where the prime minister go, where is the chief minister go, and then I speak with my mother in English, and I speak with my mother that when my mother is cooking in a kitchen, that my mother said I'm putting a sugar. That time I also say, "What are you doing, mom? Can I also do?" But I don't do gas things. But I just give mom like a sugar like this.
Okay. Okay, that's great, Tanisha. Nice to talk to you. Do you have any question? Because I have to go to school nowadays. Now it's time. Do you have any question?
Uh, can we diagnose
Okay,
this?
okay, okay. Tell me first. Behind you there is a whiteboard. Do you teach?
Yes, this is a board. Sometime I write on the board. My mother give me sometimes songs, or sometimes I make on the board video.
Okay, you make also video. Do you teach?
Yeah.
Which kind thing you teach? Grammar?
Yes, grammar like proper nouns, common nouns, and a proper nouns and common nouns.
Wow, I also want to visit your channel. Please send your channel link, okay? Is it monetized or not?
No, I don't know. It's not monitors, but
Okay, be consistent, okay? Definitely your channel will monetize and your channel also will grow. Okay, always be consistent. You are very good speaker.
yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
And you
Tanisha,
are
nice
also
to talk
speaking
with
very
you.
well.
Sorry?
You are also speaking very well.
Okay, thank you. Not like you. You
No,
are so young. You are so young and you speak a very fluent. I inspire with you.
thank you, ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am. Have a good
Same to
day.
you.
Bye.
Have a good day, same to you. Okay.
Bye. Have a great day
Bye.
with you.